go. And all down there they have all the little villages for Peter Pan, for Arendelle, and all the stories of all the princesses, because that's the storybook Land Canal boats. So they're hearing all this story. And Chris is going to spin the other way. Go, Chris, go. Right now. And Casey Jr. goes basically over the storybook canal boats. There's Wendy Darling, Captain Hook, and Peter. She wished me a happy birthday.
This is Happy Wednesday.
Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organis.
New team ready. Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
And now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. The shields.
Shields. I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless.
They managed to get the Carter turned over, but unfortunately,
Oh my gosh, that's horrible. I wish this scene was longer.
Mining claims and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.